Welcome. Today we're diving into a handy new feature in Google Chrome that allows you to view your browsing history by group on your PC. This update makes it easier to navigate through your past activities. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and click on it to launch the browser. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You will see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and hover over the History option. A secondary menu will appear. In this menu, click on History again to access your complete browsing history. Now that you're on the History page, take a look at the top of the window. You'll notice a button labeled By Group. Click on this button to organize your browsing history into groups. This feature categorizes your history based on different sessions or topics, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to view your Chrome history by group on your PC. This new organization method not only helps you keep track of your online activities, but also enhances your browsing efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks about Google Chrome and other tech tools. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.